Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to install and set up Spark Scala in IntelliJ with Maven as build tool, and we will also see how to run our first Spark job, and along with that we will also fix the common issues while running our first Spark job. So let's get started. So the first thing is we need to install IntelliJ. Go to Chrome and type IntelliJ download. So you will see the first page as download IntelliJ and go to this page. So IntelliJ we have totally two versions. One is Ultimate and the second one is the community one. Community one is the free and open source, whereas Ultimate is paid version. So we should download the community one. So start go to this download option, and once you click on that particular page, uh, the download will be started here. So I have already installed in IntelliJ. So I have already downloaded the IntelliJ. So now I will show how we can install IntelliJ. So click on it. Click next. So once you reached this window, you'll be having a just click on this IntelliJ icon just to have the shortcut on the Windows, and make Java as default, and select on the POM. POM is basically related to Maven, and since we are using Maven as build tool, so we should need POM. Click on next and start. Press on click install, and the installation will get starts. Okay, installation is completed, and let's open IntelliJ. Click on finish here. So the first window we got is create our new project here. Click on this plus symbol, and we will see this window or page. So just give the name of the project as Spark project, and the build system as Maven, and JDK. I recommend you to install JDK 17. So you can click on the download JDK option and click 17. Ideally, this can be the most stable one, and click on click on the create option, and so now we can see POM file here. POM is basically it's a structure file uh, where we can place the respective dependencies like Spark, Scala, etc. And here you can you can see Java code. So the first thing what we can do is rename this Java to Scala. Go to refactor rename and okay, let's wait until it get indexed. Okay, it's downloading all plugins and also their and also the also dependencies. Okay, it's done. Now rename Java to Scala refactor. Similarly, the same thing with the test folder as well. Now we don't need a Java main main file and Java main method is not required. So just just delete the folder. Just delete this file and so the next thing we have to do is go to settings and install Scala plugin here. Go to the plugins. There you can see the marketplace. Type here as Scala. Click on install. Apply and OK. So intellij is setting up Scala plugin. Okay, this is done. So we need to create the Scala file, Scala class file. So for that we don't have the option. Scala is not getting appear here. For that, what we have to do is we need to go to project structure, go to libraries, click on this plus symbol, and you can see Scala SDK here. Now I recommend you to download this the 2.12 version of Scala. You can also download other version here if you want, but ideally I would suggest you to install 2.12.18 and then press on OK. Yeah. Now the related jars are added. Click apply. Next OK. It's getting indexed now. Okay. Now you can see Scala file. See. Now let's create a main method for Scala. So type as Spark application and write write the main method now. Pass the arguments and array of strings. Now simple, just type say hello world, and we'll see. So Scala setup is done, and we have seen hello world. So the next thing is to set up Spark. So for Spark, we need to add dependencies inside a POM file. So first, we should go to Maven Maven repository and page, and click here Spark. Now we should install Spark core as well as Spark SQL. So there are so many latest versions, like Spark 4 is there, 3.3.5 3.5 is there, but better go with 3.4. Same with Spark SQL as well. Copy this. So we should place that inside the dependency tags. Paste here. Same goes with the Spark SQL as well. Now reload. Okay. Spark related libraries got downloaded to our IntelliJ. Next thing is we will write our first Spark code here. So for that we need to import Spark Spark related things, Apache. So SQL dot Spark session. Spark session is like the entry point for Spark. it initializes the Spark session, and we can enter into the Spark cluster, and we can compute our logic logic there. So type here well Spark session dot builder app name, give app name as first project, and the master can be local. So since we are running in inside the local machine, we can keep it as local, and inside local, the star is like the number of number of number of number of threads, and finally get or else create. So yeah, Spark session is created, and now we need to uh, create a data frame. So for that, val_df is equal to sequence of, let's give a comma 1 and b comma 2 and c comma 3. Convert this to df. So for df, I mean to convert a list to a data frame, we need to have we need to have the import statement from implicits Spark implicits, and now just give it as name and id. Now df dot show. Let's run the job here. Okay, now we got one error, like what it was saying is not find or load main class example. Let's see what it is. Or example, I think the path related issue. So somehow Scala or Spark is unable to I- identify it. Okay, now you can see, right, that error got resolved, and there is another issue. again go to this and I would suggest you to comment the scope part here and load. Uh, if you see the error, what it was saying is, so yeah, this error got resolved by just changing the root. Whenever we whenever we have renamed the Scala, so Scala or Spark should identify that all our jar files and the respective application is there inside it. For that, we need to right click and go to this mark and click on the source one. Next, how this can be resolved this. So the second error, how we can resolve is, it was expecting to be 3.1, so there is some kind of mismatch, like we are using Java inbuilt, we have downloaded it 2.2 2.12, whereas Spark is having 2.13. So let's change it to 12. Okay, now start the job again, run, run it again, and mm. So now we are seeing another error. Let's see what it is. So here it was saying illegal access error. What does it mean? What does it mean? It's trying to access s- sun. It's trying to access sun package. So what happened is, Java latest versions like example 17.24, these doesn't have this particular package. These got deprecated, and Spark is still using them. And what we have to do is we need to explicitly pass some of the configs like this. I will be I will be I will be giving it in the description below. Please check. So go to run and click on edit configurations. Here you need to add them to virtual VM options. So here you can see VM options, right? In modify options, click on it. Now you can see VM options. Press on it and click on apply and OK. Now again run the job. Okay, now the Spark job got successful, and you can see the data dat- data frame here. And yeah, this is how we need to set up the Spark and Scala, and we need and we have ran our first Spark job. And please let me know if you have any any questions, and thanks for watching the video.